In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and join a group on Steam. So, all you need to do, come to the Steam homepage, hover over your name. Okay, you'll see a bunch of different options. I want you to come here and click on groups. Now, let me explain something to you though. What basically happens is you can join a public group immediately just by clicking join group. But if it's a restricted group, you'll need to basically request membership and wait for approval from a group administrator. So come down here, click on find a group. Okay. So we're going to be searching for the community groups. Right now, I can search, let's say, PC Gamer, right? Let's see. So we have this one right here, about 343,000 members. I'm going to click on this. And all you need to do is come here and click on a join group. Okay. Just go ahead and click on that. So I've clicked on a join group. And as you can see, we are a member of this group. So I come back here and then I go to groups. There we go. And as you can see, I am a member of this group. And you can go ahead and enter the chat rooms, access the chats. Really that easy and simple.